Welcome back to Bike Zone Pro, the ultimate channel for motorcycle lovers, riders, and enthusiasts who live for the open road. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic names in motorcycling, Harley-Davidson, and taking a detailed look at the brand new 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard. Whether you're a seasoned Harley rider or just starting your two-wheel journey, this bike has a lot to offer. Stick around as we explore everything from its design and performance to pricing and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. A legacy reimagined. The Harley-Davidson Softail Standard has always been a symbol of simplicity, raw power, and classic American cruising. The 2025 model doesn't just carry forward that tradition, it refines it. Harley has listened to its riders, modernized the machine while keeping its soul intact, and delivered a Softail that feels nostalgic yet fresh. Minimalist styling, clean lines, and that unmistakable Harley attitude are very much alive in this year's version. Engine and performance, Milwaukee-Eight magic. At the heart of the 2025 Softail Standard beats the Milwaukee-Eight 107 engine, a powerhouse that's become a favorite among Harley fans. This V-twin delivers 110 ft-lb of torque at just 3,000 RPM, ensuring instant power for city cruising and highway domination. The throttle response is smooth yet aggressive, and the engine's signature rumble is music to any rider's ears. Whether you're taking it easy or gunning it on open roads, the Softail Standard provides a thrilling, confident ride. Handling and ride comfort. One of the highlights of the Softail series has always been its hidden rear monoshock design, and the 2025 version continues to impress. It offers a surprisingly comfortable and responsive ride, especially for a bike that looks so traditional. Harley has tuned the suspension to absorb bumps without sacrificing that solid, planted feel. Cornering feels natural, and even longer rides are less fatiguing thanks to the low seat height and well-balanced frame. It's classic cruising, without the classic backaches. Design and aesthetics, simple, clean, beautiful. The 2025 Softail Standard is all about stripped-down beauty. You won't find flashy chrome everywhere or wild graphics. Instead, you get a raw, honest motorcycle with just enough shine to turn heads. The bike features a solo seat, mini-ape handlebars, and a raked front end that screams old-school cool. The vivid black finish is deep and rich, perfectly complementing the bike's minimalist vibe. It's designed to be a blank canvas too, perfect for riders who want to customize and make it their own. Technology and features. While the Softail Standard leans heavily into a retro feel, it doesn't ignore modern needs. The bike comes with an LED headlamp for better visibility, ABS as standard for safer braking, and an easy-to-read digital display tucked into the riser. Harley has kept the tech simple here, no overwhelming touchscreens or compel. Who should buy the Softail Standard? If you're looking for a motorcycle that embodies traditional Harley spirit without the complexity or the price tag of bigger models, the Softail Standard is a perfect choice. It's ideal for new riders who want to grow with their bike, seasoned veterans who appreciate a purer riding experience, and even custom builders looking for a solid base. It's easy to ride, powerful, and absolutely dripping with attitude. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard proves that sometimes less really is more. With its iconic styling, powerful engine, and comfortable ride, it captures everything that's great about the Harley brand in one clean package. Whether you leave it stock or customize it into a rolling work of art, this bike is ready to become whatever you dream it to be. If you're thinking about stepping into the Harley world, or just adding another machine to your garage, the Softail Standard is definitely worth a serious look. Thanks for riding along with us today at Bike Zone Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any